Namaste friends. Hope you are alright by the grace of Almighty. You all are welcome in our channel Long Live Homeopathy, Kolkata. Today we will talk about the monsoon because the monsoon is already reached and lot of problems are arising during the monsoon season. It mainly affects the children because they don't bother the rain. They run in the rain and plays in the rain. And the adults also. The monsoon season brings welcome relief from the heat, but it also increases the risk of many infectious and allergic diseases. High humidity is there, stagnant water, contaminated food and water, and rapid temperature changes creates an ideal environment for bacteria, virus, fungi and mosquitoes. It is a very good season for these all the things, these all the infections. Children, adults, older adults, pregnant women and people with weak immunity are especially suffer. The main causes are increased humidity promotes bacterial and fungal growth. Stagnant water becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Contaminated food and drinking water causes gastrointestinal infections. Sudden changes in temperature can trigger respiratory illness. The patients who are suffering from respiratory problems like asthma and others, they used to suffer a lot. Reduced sunlight and damp surroundings encourage mold growth and allergies. Common signs and symptoms, let us know. Respiratory, cold and cough, fever, sore throat, running or blocked nose, wheezing and breathlessness. These are the common respiratory trouble. Now we are coming to the gastrointestinal trouble. Diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, loss of appetite and dehydration is the main problem in this season. Skin problem, fungal infection, itching, ringworm, eczema, flare-ups. Vector-borne disease, high fever, severe body ache, joint pain, rash, bleeding tendency in severe cases. Now let us come to the pathophysiology. During this monsoon season, humidity weakens the body natural defense mechanism, contaminated water and food introduce infections, organisms into the digestive system, while inhaled virus and bacteria infect the respiratory tract. Mosquito transits viruses and parasites into the bloodstream, producing systematic illness. Damp conditions also damage the skin barrier, making fungal infections more common. Now let us see what are the homeopathic medicine, and homeopathic medicine works very well. We should not go on the rumor who says homeopathy doesn't work. No, they are false. Homeopathy works. Now let us start the homeopathic medicine. Number 1 is aconite nap. Second one is belladonna. Third one is bryonia. Fourth one is arsenic album, Rostox, Dalcamara, Merksol, Euphorium perforatum. So friends, dissolve the medicine works very well and they works like miracle. Never forget these medicines. Now let us come to symptoms of the medicines. Acute night nap, sudden fever after exposure to cold, rain or chilly wind. Belladonna, high fever with a red face of the children or adults, throbbing headache and hot skin, and the perspiration comes from the head. Bryannia alba, dry cough, intense thirst, symptoms worse from the motion, and better by absolute rest. Arsenic album. Friends, arsenic album is a very good medicine for food poisoning, diarrhea, vomiting, burning pain, and restlessness during night. Dalkamara. Illness after getting wet. Getting wet in rain or exposure to damp cold. Now the next medicine is mug sore. Sore throat with excessive salivation and swollen glands. Euphorium perforatum. Euphorium perforatum is a medicine for bone pain, high fever with severe bone pain and muscular pain, often considered in dengue-like illness as supportive homeopathic prescribing based on symptoms. Friends, now let us know the lifestyle and management. Lifestyle and management is very essential. Means you can say prevention is better than cure. Drink clean water, boiled water or filtered water. Wash hands and before taking food. And frequently wash your hands. Avoid stagnant water. Use mosquito nets and repellents. Eat freshly cooked food. Keep your home dry and well ventilated. Wear clean dry clothes and maintain good hygiene. So friends, this is most essential for the rainy season. And you can apply this. If you are having any question, you can comment me in comment box or you can WhatsApp me on my phone number 7890289999 or 98300700836. I hope you will remember this. Thank you friends. Long live homeopathy, long live handyman.